In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted messages in Microsoft Teams. We all know that feeling of panic when we accidentally delete an important message. Whether it was a critical piece of information or just something you wanted to keep on hand for later, the good news is that there might be a way to get it back. So let's dive into how you can retrieve those messages with just a few simple steps. First, we need to head over to Microsoft Teams. This is where all the communication magic happens, and it's our starting point for recovering any deleted message. You can access Microsoft Teams through your preferred web browser by typing in the URL or simply opening the Teams app on your desktop or mobile device. Make sure you're logged in with your credentials so you'll have full access to your chats and channels. Once you're in Microsoft Teams, the next step is to select the chat where the message was deleted. Navigate through your recent conversations or use the search function to quickly find the specific chat. It's important to know exactly where the deleted message was so we can work on retrieving it. Take your time to ensure you're in the right chat thread. After you've selected the appropriate chat, here's the crucial part. Look for the option to undo the deletion. In many cases, after you delete a message in Teams, there's an option that pops up allowing you to undo the action. This is usually visible for a short window of time, so being prompt is essential. If you see the undo button, go ahead and click it. This will immediately restore the message right where it was before you deleted it. It's important to note that this undo feature is typically available in the immediate moments following the deletion, so if you catch your mistake quickly, you're in luck. However, if some time has passed and the undo option is no longer visible, unfortunately, Microsoft Teams doesn't currently offer a built-in feature to recover messages once they've been permanently deleted. So that's a quick and straightforward approach. Go to Microsoft Teams, navigate to the chat, and click undo if you act quickly enough. If you want to avoid this situation in the future, consider enabling features like message retention policies or configurations that could potentially back up critical communications, thereby avoiding permanent loss. In conclusion, while Microsoft Teams provides an immediate solution to quickly recover recently deleted messages, it highlights the importance of being cautious before deleting any conversation. Regularly archiving essential communications or using third-party tools could be a wise decision for those critical messages you might need to access again down the line. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how to recover deleted messages in Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on utilizing your favorite tech tools efficiently.